Now come to the schedule 3. In this schedule, there is a provision for forms of oaths, or you can say affirmations of constitutional post. So what is the meaning of this line? The meaning is whenever a person is appointed to any constitutional post, so before appointment or holding that post, he has to take an oath to maintain the dignity of that post. So only after doing this thing, he can handle the responsibilities of that post. So if any question occurs in your exam related to this schedule, and the question will be in which schedule there is a provision for oath of the constitutional post. So your answer should be schedule 3. Before move towards the schedule 4, always remember you have to study only as much as is necessary for your exam. Don't go behind the roots of this topic, because if you study under the roots of the topic, then your quality subject will never be end to crack the UPSC. Okay? So only study as much as is necessary only for your exam. Now come to the schedule 4.